Good day everyone, you are welcome once again to the mathematics solution class. Today we are going to be looking at this question that says P is equal to square root of QR into bracket 1 plus 3t over R. Make R the subject of the formula. Make R the subject of the formula. Solution. P is equal to square root of QR into bracket 1 plus 3t over R. Bracket closes. Okay, we want to make R the subject of the formula, and you cannot do anything to everything we have under the square root unless you remove the square root. You can actually open the bracket inside the square root, but you cannot take them out of the square root. So the square root is serving as a cover for them. So I have to remove the square root before I continue with the solving of this question. So how do I remove square root? To remove square root, I have to square both sides. Always remember, to remove square root, you square both sides. So we are going to have P square is equal to square root of QR1 plus 3t over R. Then square. Square will cancel the square root. Always remember that. Square will cancel the square root. Therefore, we have P square is equal to QR into bracket 1 plus 3t over R. Close your bracket. Now don't forget, we want to make R the subject of the formula. Let's keep R at a corner and always remember that we are making R at the subject of the formula. Always remember, you want to make R the subject of the formula. The two R needs to be brought together because it is not possible that you make one R the subject of the formula and the other R is left behind. So to bring the two R together, you have to just open the bracket. You'd have no option. Therefore, I have P square is equal to QR times 1 is QR plus QR times 3t over R. I'm going to have 3QT because the R will cancel the R. So I have something like this. Now this is the only R I have in this expression. All I have to do, I will take the whole of this to the other side of the equation. And don't forget your rule of whenever you take a term across the equality sign, the sign of that term will change. Therefore, I have QR is equal to P square minus 3QT. At this particular stage, we want only R alone, but we have R attached to Q. So I will eliminate Q. So it's going to be divide both sides by Q over Q over Q. Therefore, R is equal to P square minus 3QT all over Q. This is our answer. Let's check the options and see what is equal to our answer. P square minus 3QT over Q. Option D is the right answer. We have come to the end of this tutorial, and I want to use this opportunity to thank you and appreciate you. I also want to use this opportunity to beg you, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to encourage me to do more of these things, and like my videos, share the videos, and then click the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks and God bless.